Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare tomato chutney. This is very good chutney for idly, dosas and uthappams. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. I've prepped up the chilies, dried red chilies. It's already soaking in hot water. So prepare this dried red chilies, soak them in hot water half an hour before preparing your chutney. We need tomatoes. I'll be using garlic, tamarind and curry leaves. We need black gram dal and asafoetida. This recipe is my own creation. I had an idea about this recipe and I told my mother. She prepared it twice and we really liked the taste. So we did a bit of adjustments here and there, but we really liked the taste and we prepared it. So I have not copied this recipe from anybody, or it's not taught to me. I have not seen this recipe prepared by anybody. It is my own creation and I really liked it. So I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok we have added 1.5 tablespoons of oil. On very low flame I'm frying the black gram dal. So this black gram dal we need about 2 tablespoons. Fried on very low flame. You can see I'm constantly stirring it and I'm frying it on very low flame. You can prepare this chutney in bulk and store it in the refrigerator. You can put it in an airtight box and freeze it and use it as required. So it stores well. Now once the black gram dal starts to turn light pink in color, that's when I'll add the dried red chilies. All the measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe along with all the ingredients will be listed on my blog. My blog link will be posted in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. I keep posting a lot of stories on a regular basis. And the same recipe is also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Once the black gram dal has turned light brown in color, I've fried the curry leaves, garlic, and I drained the chilies and I've added the chilies to the dal and I've fried it. We also need to add asafoetida and fry all the ingredients. Fry the chilies till red or burgundy maroon in color. It has to go into that deep red color. Once it starts turning a deep red in color, that is when we have to drain it and add it to a mixer jar, and we're going to grind these ingredients first. I'll be frying the tomatoes separately. These ingredients will not grind easily, so we have fried all these ingredients. We need to grind this separately. So you would have seen a lot of chutney recipes in my past and basics of Indian cooking recipe. This is one of the simplest and easiest recipes that I prepared. Now once this is ground, I've added little bit of water to grind all the ingredients. You can see there is enough oil left in the wok, but I've still added half a teaspoon of extra oil and I'm going to fry the tomatoes. We need not fry the tomatoes all the way through. It just has to soften a bit and it has to cook. The raw flavor from the tomato has to reduce. So once it's fried, it roughly took me about 5 minutes to fry the tomatoes on low flame. Once the tomatoes have fried and it's softened nicely, I've added it to the mixer again and I'm going to grind all the ingredients once more. If needed, you can add water, but the tomatoes contain a lot of moisture in it, so it will grind faster. At this point, my chutney is ready. You can serve this for uthappams, idlis, dosas. We serve this nice and spicy chutney for a millet dosa. It turned out excellent. It paired very well. So do give this recipe a try, friends. If you enjoyed watching my video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Try this recipe and post your comments. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.